Hey, how's it going? It is Clary Berry here with the Bitcoin horoscope for the 14th through the 20th of February. I hope you guys are doing well. If you have watched the long-term Bitcoin year-long video for the year, you'd probably know that this week is probably going to be a little bit more of the same. However, this might be the last week where we don't really have anything at all going on big. Because if you remember that video, or if you watched that video, you will know that the only big aspect that we had the whole entire month is at the very end of the month, the 27th. And that should be some good long-term energy. Good, nice little pump of long-term energy on or around the 27th. We'll get there next week. So here's the deal. We are going to take an underlying card again. I think that a little bit of more of the same. There's a little bit of reset energy starting to bubble up. Okay, we got Owl. We have Owl. The wise old owl is going to wait till the time is right, possibly making moves at night. I don't know if that's what was meant, but we shall see. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right in here. So when I say that, it's more of the same, I want you guys to know nothing peaking specifically for Bitcoin. If you guys, if you've been watching just for the past month, I want you to know the videos have been totally different. A lot based on, well, not only, we switched to this method instead of the cards, but we also are just having so few aspects that I'm having to look at the general aspects. I'm having to use a lot more tarot and a lot more intuition rather than astrology. And this week is, especially the first half of this week, it's the same exact thing, you guys. There is nothing going on, okay? Specifically for Bitcoin, nothing peaking anyway. So on the 14th, again, nothing specific, but we do have the general aspect of Sun Square Neptune. So this kind of gives anything more of a lazy feel, more just like dreaming of success here, dreaming of what we're going to do. And this is in the second house. So yeah, definitely dreaming about money, dreaming about financial success, etc. And I do want to make a note on the 14th, guys. This is kind of this reset energy that we have, part of it anyway. We have Mercury moving into Aquarius, where it will be until March 9th. You guys, this is good. This is really, really good for Bitcoin, for crypto in general, because Aquarius is a sign of technology, is a sign of helping people, is a sign of those out there ideas, and this is in Bitcoin's second house. So it goes perfectly together. I think we're going to see again, I don't want to say this is rock bottom, because it's not really coming through like that, but this is a clear turning point this week, even if it's not precisely happening, because again, this energy will be here. Mercury is going to be in Aquarius for Bitcoin in the second house through March 9th. So from now till then, it's going to be different than it was, because we were in Capricorn Mercury. That means our thinking about money was to conserve, not to spend, not to take any risks. And this is a little bit more able to take risks, able to, again, think outside the box, do something different. So I'm really thinking that's going to be good overall from now till then. As for this day on the 14th, guys, I don't know exactly. I don't think it's going to do much. I think it might be, very lazy and kind of sideways. It might be, a little bit on the good side. It might be going up, but honestly, I could see it basically going sideways. Okay. So on the 15th, guys, even less, nothing going on. I think we might have a peak kind of from the day before, and then maybe start to kind of go back down, or just go basically sideways. Just again, nothing to speak of. So the 16th, nothing specific, but we do have general aspect of Venus conjunct Mars. So here, we have some of this renewal, some of this making plans, some of this, intentions coming in. But we also have the full moon in Leo, which is going to bring some drama. And I think for Bitcoin, this is in the 8th house for Capricorn. So, we might be, doing okay. And then we have some drama and it doesn't look that good. The cards especially said this does not really look good initially. I thought maybe more, kind of a sideways thing there. But yeah, cards did not like that day. So again, watch out for the 16th, possible good day to buy in. Okay. On the 17th, we've got general aspect of Jupiter, sextile Uranus. For Bitcoin, this could be some buzzing. This could be a little rebound from the day before, and then maybe, you know, slow back down a little bit. Again, I don't think it's going to be a whole lot of anything, but we shall see. Okay. It's a Uranus aspect. So again, sort of a little bit more difficult to predict. Now, here's our clear turning point. On the 18th, we actually have a Bitcoin aspect or two. We've got Sun conjunct Venus, and this is definitely good element here. This is bringing some new people, some attraction, some indulgence, but it's kind of like, don't be too indulgent here. We've also got Mercury conjunct Mercury. So this is kind of adding to the buzz, the re-excitement. And then we also have Sun moving into Pisces in the 3rd house. So this is going to affect for the next month, like communications and just kind of the psychic aspects and spiritual aspects surrounding Bitcoin. So again, we might have different people kind of coming in for different reasons here. But even though I think the astrology looks pretty good, it sounds pretty good, we've actually got something going, guys. I don't think it's going to be, because it's still Venus aspects, and you know, the Mercury conjunct Mercury is still, it's all in our heads. So it's more of our thinking around Bitcoin. You know, people are going to be talking about Bitcoin more, but as far as actually buying in and moving the price, I don't think it's going to be that much. You know, we probably will have this pump, but then it's going to, again, kind of settle down, like seems to be the theme for the week. 19th, guys, we have Mars sextile Uranus, another Uranus aspect. This does have the potential for a big breakout. However, when we look at the tarot and all things considered, and the fact that, again, Uranus, you know, it might go down and then come up and then go sideways, but it should be much better, again, 18th and 19th, than it was for the week before that. Okay, so on the 20th, end of the week, Sunday, we've got Sun sextile Pluto. Now, this could be one of those where, you know, there's a mess. Maybe on the 19th, it's this instead, because we're cleaning up a mess. So I think somehow there's going to be some down energy here, and then it's going to kind of rebound and maybe go back. It's kind of fix it energy, okay? It's kind of like, oh, this mess, well, let's fix it. So again, probably won't be too big, mostly sideways. The 21st for your bonus day, guys, nothing going on. Just out of intuition and tarot, I kind of went down and sideways like that, but not a whole lot to go on astrologically. So that's all for this week, guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the likes, shares, subscribes, comments, etc. Don't forget, this is not financial advice. This is help for you to be able to dollar cost average in, but I'm not a financial advisor. This is just astrology, tarot, intuition, and just fun. So let me know what you guys think. We'll be back soon with more videos. Thanks.